This is Miss Punctuality. She has maintained an undefeated streak of always being punctual, to the dismay of her friends. But hold on. What do we have here? Is that a flat tire? The streak is in jeopardy. Do you know how to change the tire? But don't worry, miss. We'll break the fourth wall and guide you through the steps to change the tire. Step 1. Pull the handbrake and put the car in gear. Step 2. Open the trunk and remove the mats. You'll find a spare tire, jack, and all the required tools there. Step 3. Unbolt the tire and remove the jack like so. Keep everything near the flat tire. Step 4. While the car is on ground, use the provided spanner to loosen all the wheel nuts. Step 5. Place the jack under the lifting point, usually reinforced metal part. Step 6. Use the provided tools as illustrated to lift the car high so that there is enough clearance under the wheel. Step 7. Once the wheel is up, remove the previously loosened bolts. Step 8. Remove the flat tire and place it under the car for extra safety. Step 9. Put the spare tire and align the wheel holes and hub studs. Install the nuts back in an X-shaped pattern and use the spanner to hand tighten the nuts. Step 10. Remove the tire from underneath and carefully lower the car by rotating the jack anti-clockwise. Step 11. Use your feet to firmly tighten the nuts. Step 12. Put everything back to where it was because you're done. This is how Miss Punctuality was able to maintain her undefeated streak as she sets off to annoy her friends. We, on the other hand, couldn't be more proud.